Hi, I'm George Ruiz. I'm the race director for the Tahoe Rim Trail endurance runs. Today we're here to talk about the coveted 100-mile finisher's buckle. Back in 2006, the 100-mile distance was added to the Tahoe Rim Trail endurance runs. Since then, the race has grown rapidly from 56 finishers the first year to now over 220 registered for this year, 2013. This buckle has become one of the most coveted prizes in all of ultra running. We're doing a video to show the value of this buckle because it is truly a hand-tooled buckle that silversmith Pete Schuler in Carson City, Nevada has made every single buckle that has been handed out. So far, 460 buckles have been handed out to finishers of the 100-mile endurance run. In 2006, my wife Rhonda took on the opportunity to come up with a buckle design. She searched for a silversmith, and we wanted one out of Carson City because it's a Carson City-based event. She found Pete Schuler at a Western wear store in Carson City that is no longer in operation. But Pete Schuler has become a jewel for this race because, as you'll see in this video, he came up with a special design that is still being used today. We are in the 8th year of this event. Along with the buckle being handmade by Pete Schuler, another unique feature of our buckle is the medallion that is placed in the center of the buckle. It is a minted medallion at the Nevada State Museum in one of the few presses of its kind in the country. It has 0.99 silver, solid silver, and the medallion is pressed, which you'll see later on in the video. So it is truly a Carson City product. I have many 100-mile finisher buckles in my trophy case, but I cherish this one the most. Not only because it's a race that I'm a part of, but because it's a handcrafted piece that I worked so hard to earn. If you have yet to earn your Tahoe Rim Trail Endurance buckle, as you'll see in this video, it'll be worth every ounce of energy that it takes to complete this race.
Good afternoon. I want to welcome you all to the Nevada State Museum, formerly the Carson City Mint. My name is Ken Hopple, and I'm the chief coiner of Coin Press No. 1. And today we're minting a medallion for the Tahoe Rim Trail Endurance Run. And we're going to be using a silver planchet, 9995, 1 ounce. And this is what it looks like right here. I don't know whether you can zoom in on that. Okay. All righty. Now this press ran on steam until 1903, and it did 100 coins a minute. Now we're going to use 120 tons to turn that into a medallion. And there it is right there. The backside has the state seal of Nevada.
Hi, I'm Pete Schuler, and I make the buckles for the Tahoe Rim Trail 100-mile endurance race. Today we're going to show how we make those buckles. First, we make paper patterns and glue them to the metal sheets. First, we separate the individual buckles from the sheets and then cut them out to the line. We'll transfer the design to the metal using this pantograph machine. This plastic template was hand cut specifically for these buckles. Now that I've cut the buckle out, I'm going to pantograph the design onto the buckle. Now that we've pantographed the design onto the buckle, we're going to dome it. After doming the buckle, we cut the hole out of the center for the medallion. Next, we're going to pantograph the letters onto the banners. Then the banners are cut out. Next, we're going to solder the banners to the buckles. Next, we're going to solder the silver bezel to the buckle to hold the medallion. Now that the bezel is soldered to the buckle, we're going to solder the belt loop to the back. Okay, now that we've soldered the belt loops on the back of the buckle, all the soldering is done. The next step is to buff the buckle. Now that the buckle is buffed, it's ready to engrave. The engraved buckle is now ready to accept the medallion. Now we're going to insert the coin and fold the bezel over. Now the finished buckle is ready for the race.
I'd like to thank Pete Schuler, our silversmith, from the very first buckle that TRT made. It was a design that my wife Rhonda came up with Pete, and Pete Schuler has made every buckle that has been handed out to every single 100-mile finisher on the Tahoe Rim Trail Endurance Runs 100 Mile. So now you've seen how this coveted buckle is made, and I look forward to handing you your finisher's prize.